So in the Kinemaster we can see many audio tools like mixer, equalizer, volume envelope, reverb, voice changer, ducking, loop, loop to end, trim and split, and information. But how to use all of this? Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video we are going to know about the audio tools in Kinemaster. So let's begin.
You're a superhero.
At first we know about the mixer. Here we can see the volume controller. When I decrease it, you can see the soundbar is too low, but when I increase it, you can see the soundbar is too high. The next one is headphone sound controller. It is only for headphones. When I drag both of them at the left, here you can see the right soundbar is empty and the left soundbar has full sound. And when I make the opposite settings, the left soundbar has no sound and the right soundbar has full sound. And when I drag both of them at the 0, here you can see the two soundbar is parallel. The another one is auto volume. Before enable it, here you can see the sound is going over the white line. Now after enable it, we can see the sound is not going over the white line. By this tool, Kinemaster automatically select the high and low volume and convert them into the medium sound. Another one is speech. This is used only for voiceovers. By this tool, you can change your voice. Now we know about the equalizer. Here you can see many effects. You can use all of this. These effects make your voice so beautiful. Now we know the uses of volume envelope. This is the volume controller and this is for pin the point where you want to increase and decrease the volume. So here I pin and decrease the volume and here I increase the volume. Here you can see the sound is faded out in the area. This is very useful for everyone. The next one is reverb. Here you can see many reverb effects. These reverb effects give a next level quality to your voice. Like this. Like this. Like this. From the name, you can thought that it is a tool which changes the pitch of your voice. So you can use this to change your voice pitch.
Like that. Like that.
Actually, many YouTubers said that by enable ducking, the audio will be playing in the background of the another audio. But I enable it many times, but I did not feel any other change. But I may be wrong. By enable loop and loop to end, both of them, the audio will be playing all over the video. By this tool, you can cut the unwanted part of the audio or the song. The next one is information. From this tool, you can know all things about the audio. From here, you can rename the audio like this. So guys, today is the part 2 of this series coming soon. So subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and don't forget to tap on the all button. So till then, take care and bye.
I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.